Today, we're diving into an in-depth first look at the highly anticipated Sony A7V, a rumored hybrid mirrorless camera that's generating serious buzz among photographers and filmmakers alike. With expectations pointing toward a 44-megapixel full-frame backside illuminated sensor, 4K video recording at 120 frames per second, and groundbreaking AI-powered autofocus, this upcoming release could mark a major evolution in Sony's Alpha series lineup. For hybrid content creators, vloggers, and professionals in search of an all-in-one tool, the A7V looks set to offer a rich blend of still image power and cinematic video performance. Rumors suggest the sensor is likely the IMX366, delivering enhanced dynamic range, better low-light capabilities, and incredibly fast readout speeds that could reduce rolling shutter during fast movement. Sony is reportedly bringing over next-gen autofocus from its flagship models like the A7V and A9 III, with dedicated AI processing to improve real-time eye tracking, subject recognition, and intelligent exposure control. Whether you're capturing sports, wildlife, or face tracking for a vlog, this autofocus system may offer unparalleled precision. Video shooters will likely benefit from internal 4K at 120 frames per second, 8K at 30 frames per second, and Full HD at 240 frames per second for ultra-slow motion creativity, plus features like 10-bit color depth, all-intra compression, and 16-bit RAW output via HDMI. These specs suggest a serious upgrade for cinematic workflows, wedding videography, short films, and YouTube content creation. Creators will appreciate the dual card slots supporting both CF Express Type A and UHS-2 SD cards, making high bitrate video capture and high-res still smoother and more reliable. Connectivity is also expected to get a bump with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth LE, and USB-C with power delivery for live streaming, FTP transfers, and quick charging. From a design standpoint, the A7V could borrow ergonomic improvements from the Sony A9 III, including a deeper grip, more intuitive button layout, enhanced tactile control, and improved weather sealing. This is ideal for handheld shooting, especially with heavier Cine lenses or external monitors. The rumored 4-axis fully articulating touchscreen LCD is perfect for vloggers, overhead flat-lay videos, and creative camera angles. An upgraded OLED viewfinder, possibly around 5.76 million dots, should make for an ultra-clear preview experience. Even in direct sunlight, great for critical focus and composition. Built-in 5-axis image stabilization, possibly enhanced with AI algorithms, will help creators capture smoother handheld footage and sharper low-light stills. With features like focus breathing compensation and S-Cinetone color science, Sony is clearly pushing to support pro video workflows right out of the box. Expected to be priced between $2,500 and $3,000, the Sony A7V is likely to deliver premium specs at a relatively accessible price point, ideal for professionals upgrading from the A7 III or A7 IV. While initial speculation pointed to a 2025 launch, more recent rumors suggest we may not see this camera until late 2025 or early 2026 due to ongoing supply chain and semiconductor delays affecting the global tech industry. Even so, anticipation remains high thanks to the powerful combination of ultra-high-resolution photography and advanced video production tools. For YouTube creators, this could be the perfect upgrade to improve image quality, workflow speed, and flexibility across content types. In terms of SEO, be sure to tag and integrate keywords like Sony A7V First Look, Hybrid Mirrorless Camera, AI Autofocus Sony, 4K 120 frames per second camera, Full-Frame Sensor Camera 2025, Cinematic Color Science, Dynamic Range Photography, Professional Vlogging, Setup, and Mirrorless Camera for content creation. The rumored A7V is not just a step up, it's a leap forward for hybrid shooters who want to simplify their setup without compromising on quality. Whether you're a one-person production team, a social media content creator, or a professional filmmaker, the A7V has the potential to be your go-to camera for years to come. Thanks for tuning into Techno Trend Zone. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on Sony's 2025 camera lineup. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Is the A7V your next camera, or are you holding out for Sony's A9 IV or Alpha A1 successor? Power and